keep it secret. Don't say it. If we do, we might break it. In your eyes, I can see it, but we don't wanna name it. Keep it secret, stay this way. Just a touch, just a taste. If we cross that line tonight, we might lose this perfect space. City air is soft and low. Your voice moving slow, standing closer than before, but we don't move anymore. Your hand almost touches mine, then it pulls back every time, like we're dancing on the edge of something we can't forget. Every silence feels too loud.